5 days ago, we watched Haverford Avenue burn. Today, the flames are extinguished. Where homes were being consumed in front of our eyes, now there is an eerie silence. But what is the future of this ruined street and this ravaged town?
Climbing this hill to get to the top.
Among those sneaking back in is Farhad, an architect, evading police roadblocks to discover the fate of his home. Do you know if your house is standing right now?
I'm gonna go see.
As he reaches Haverford Avenue, his fears grow.
It's shocking. People here, I knew, a whole bunch of them. Huge building here is gone.
This is the moment of truth.
This is my house. Right.
Almost miraculously, it is untouched by fire. That's remarkable, given that these are the views all around him.